Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. Aspects of any gardening project is soils. Now the term soils is used kind of loosely. There are many different soils out there. Most of our backyard soils, well, what do they have? Nematodes, fungi, bacteria, weed seeds. They've got problems. That's the reason we typically want to buy a bagged soil like we have here. And you can see that it's made with good consistency. It's got some organic material in it. It's got a little bit of perlite in it. And it's going to be a good quality mix when you start to grow. Now you can buy cheap soils, but normally you're better off to buy a good quality soil and one that's usually sterile, it's usually ready to use, and you want something that's a potting mix normally if you're starting seedlings or if you're starting some of your favorite little plants. If you cheap out and buy really junk soil, you're probably going to have a lot of problems. You'll be the brown thumber of the neighborhood. So you don't want that. You don't want to be the Darth Vader of the gardening world. You want to be the green thumb of the gardening world, and that means get a good soil and you're off to a really good start. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.